My name's Jake Herbert. I found about Aspiration Hair on Instagram. As soon as I saw it, I knew that I wanted to get it. I was in Ibiza at the time. As soon as I got home, I called up, booked a quote. I live in Portsmouth. The closest one was in Worthing, so I booked it for there, went up there, only a 40-minute drive. Met a guy called Jack who fits the hair systems. He's actually wearing one as well, so it was good to see someone that's actually wearing one in person. Asked some questions about it. It just seemed like, the perfect, what I've been looking for. And so we went ahead, measured my head up, got it fitted. When I first got it on, I was a bit of shock, but straight away I loved it. I knew it was going to be good because I've seen before and after pictures, and every single after and before picture, they always look better afterwards. So I knew once I got used to having hair, that I'd be perfectly fine. So living with the hair system, it's really good, better than what I thought. I thought that it was going to itch. I thought that, when I was going to the gym or something, that it'd come off or it could be pulled off easily, but it's never felt like it's going to come off. It's been bonded really well. Personally for me, I've always been a confident lad. I was never insecure about not having hair. I didn't mind it, but it was always just a plus factor, because if I had hair, it'd be something nice to have. And now that I've got it, I wish I'd done it ages ago, but I just never knew about it. So I think if I knew about it back a year, 2 years ago, then I would have got it done. It's probably the best thing I've done so far. When I first got the hair system, I was a little bit worried about people being like, oh, you're wearing a wig, or making negative comments about it, or it being obvious. But since I've had it, I've not had anything apart from positive comments. In regards to meeting girls, every time I tell them about the hair system, they literally do not care. Not one person's put me down about it. Just how good it is. It's made people want to get it, and it's made more people realise that it actually exists. I 100% recommend Aspiration Hair. If you're 50-50 on not sure if you want to get it or not, they give free consultations. And what helps as well is that everyone that's actually in the business has got a hair system, so they know exactly how it works, and everything they tell you is the truth.